Throughout the centuries and across the world, statues of Saint Michael the Archangel have always looked strikingly similar. With his sword raised, wings open, and evil defeated beneath his feet, this image became one of the strongest representations in Christian art.
But this form did not emerge by chance. It was born from ancient spiritual and symbolic traditions.
These traditions sought to express visually the invisible battle between good and evil. Each detail carries a profound meaning, a message sculpted in silence across generations. The sword represents divine justice and the defense of truth. The wings symbolize his celestial origin and the spiritual authority of the Archangel. And the figure of the defeated enemy reminds the faithful that evil can be conquered through faith, courage, and perseverance. Every element of his armor speaks of protection, Inyao, of the soul, of truth, of the faithful. During the Middle Ages, artists and sculptors began to solidify this model. And this form was passed from generation to generation, carried across centuries and continents. Monasteries, cathedrals, and churches across Europe enshrined this image as guardian and protector. The most iconic sanctuaries of the world were built in his honor. Even today, in modern sacred art factories, sculptors continue following these traditional patterns. Molds are created, paintings applied with care, and each image takes form as a continuation of a story spanning centuries. What appears to be merely a decorative object transforms into something far greater, a living symbol of spiritual protection. Thousands of these statues leave factories every year, destined for churches, homes, and sacred spaces across the world.
For millions of people, the presence of a Saint Michael statue in churches or homes brings comfort, strength, and hope.
Many pray before these images in difficult moments, believing in intercession and defense against visible and invisible dangers. So when you look upon a statue of Saint Michael again, remember, you are not simply looking at a work of art. You are standing before a silent message sculpted in madder fall, reminding us that the spiritual battle continues. And that the victory of good is always possible. Subscribe to discover the hidden meaning behind the most powerful symbols of sacred art. The journey of faith continues. Around the world, entire sanctuaries were built in his name. Millions make pilgrimages every year seeking his protection. From Rome to Paris, from New York to São Paulo, his image stands guard over cities and souls. Every September 29th, the feast day of Saint Michael, millions celebrate across the globe.
Police officers, soldiers, and firefighters traditionally invoke Saint Michael as their patron and protector.
In countless professions where danger is daily arrow, his image is always present, always watching. Over 1,000 years of wars, plagues, revolutions, and changed already, and still the image endures. From grand cathedrals to small bedrooms grow, The guardian takes his place wherever he is invited.
The sword, the wings, the defeated evil.
Now, when you see his image now, you will never look at it the same way again. Subscribe and discover the hidden meaning behind the greatest symbols of sacred art. The journey continues.